Hey, I'm Andy. Let me ask you this. Are you planning to change your old washing machine? Check out the following review video, and you'll thank me after that.
Equator Stackable Set EW824N 1.6 cu.ft plus ED850 3.5 cu.ft. Brought by Equator Advanced Appliances, specialized in appliances for small spaces. Compact size, redesigned, easy-to-use control panel. Winterize feature in washer specifically designed for RV use and quiet function. Energy saving, auto display off after 5 minutes. Angled 45 degrees door handle, reduces bending. Automatic water level, child lock, delay start for convenience. The Stackable Washer Dryer Set is the latest model of washer and compact dryer stacked. Total height of stacked machines is 59 inches. No stacking kit included in the purchase. ASIN for stacking kit B08Q9SE413.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.